Hiya, Lotto Lass here, and as you can see I have 3 of the brand new Cars and Cash £2 scratch cards. So let's have a look. So you have 2 different games. On this one you need your number to be bigger than their number to win, and on this one match the winning symbol to win yours, to win that prize. So like I said, I have 3, so let's have a look and see if we can find any wins. So we have 25, 27, 21, 22, 27, 28, 19 and 21. So no wins on that game. So over to this one. Winning symbol is a purse. So we have a bike, a roll and a key. So unfortunately no wins on that card. So on to the next one. So we have 25, 26, 16, 17, 26, 28, 13 and 27. So no wins on that side. So let's see it over here. Winning symbol is a roll. So we have a helicopter, a purse and a ship. So unfortunately no wins on that card either. So third and final one. Let's see if we can find anything. So we have 20 and 21, 27 and 28, 12 and 14, 28 and 27. So we do have 1 win there. Fantastic. So we'll come back to that at the end. So over here, the winning symbol is a key. So we have a coin, a roll and a ship. So we just have that 1 win there. So let's have a look and see what we got. And we got a £5 win. That's great. So I spent £6 and got £5 back, but not bad for a brand new card. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks again. Ta-ta for now.